This is Hansshow new tilt display for your Tesla Model Y Juniper. This new bracket allows the display to sit at the same level without losing any leveling. And it also prevents itself from moving around when you're hitting speed bump. It is a new design, new bracket. It is redesigned to look OEM as well with the two cover that comes with the kit. So installing this is fairly easy. Anyone can do this. It takes less than 30 minutes. What you want to do before you install is turn off the vehicle. So in order to do this, go under service and then power off your vehicle. And then pop open the bottom cover using the actual pry tool and the tool, the 10mm socket tool. Unscrew the two bolts underneath the display. So once you remove that, wiggle the display out, but don't yank it fully out. You still have to unplug two items. So there's two hex screw on the corner behind the cover. So you want to unscrew those to remove the cover. Then you can unplug the two wires. Once you unplug the two wires, you can now remove the air sensor. This is just the temperature sensor. You'll be moving this sensor over to the new cover with the swivel mount. Go ahead and place the bracket onto the vehicle first, then place the cover over the bracket, and then you will use the two screws that you removed earlier, the two 10mm bolt, to screw it back on. Once you have the cover on, the mount on, go ahead and screw those two 10mm back on using the tool provided. You want to hand screw it on and then fully tighten it with the tool. Very easy process. Then run the wires through the second cover, and this cover will sit over the back of your display. Plug in the two wires you removed earlier, put over the cover. Make sure you run the wires through that cover again using two screws. These two screws came with the kit. So you want to use the tool provided, screw those on to mount the cover, and then mount the display on the bracket. Once it's on the bracket, use the other two hex screw to screw in the display to the mount itself and hand tighten it before you use the tool. Now you can reinstall the temperature sensor by screwing over the existing screw that you removed earlier, those hex screws, onto the new cover, and this will be plugged back into the bottom of the actual mount itself. Once it's plugged in, go ahead and close up the cover, and it sits right below the display. And that is the whole installation process. Very easy to do. If you're interested in this product, link in the description of this video. Make sure you use the discount code for additional saving. Again, anyone can install this. It takes less than 30 minutes. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.